Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for joining us. Today, we want to roast our goat meat, the one we butchered. If you have not watched it, how we butchered it, how we prepared it, is on our YouTube channel. And right now, this is the goat meat. Okay, this is the goat meat. So we'll be smoking this. Coi. So, beautiful people, we are about to smoke our meat, but before then, let's spice it up so that it can have some. This is okay. So this is our curry. This is curry, seasoned cubes, cayenne pepper, and this is salt. So we are going to mix it up. We'll leave it to marinate after like 20-30 minutes. So we'll leave it for like 20 minutes to marinate very well. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, turn up the post notification bell. If you are just seeing us for the first time, welcome to Leah's screen. This is how we prepare our goats. So beautiful people, this is about 30 minutes later, 20-30 minutes later, and now we're about to, it has marinated for some time. So this is our fire, you can see. So we'll shift the charcoal. You don't need too much heat. So we'll just keep this here. So we are going to leave it for at least 3 to 5 hours for some time, and we'll be rotating it so that it won't get burnt. This is a low heat, a low smoke. So beautiful people, this is about 3-5 hours later. So as you can see, we have the fire has gone down a little bit. So this is the goat meat. It's still hot. It has not done, so we are just, wow, this is very lovely. Okay, this is very lovely. Wow. Okay. So this is neck. So the heat is just very average. So we are going to leave it for another period again for it to be drying. This can take like 2 to 4 days to dry properly. Okay, so we'll be doing it gradually. So thank you for watching. Please stay tuned. So beautiful people, we are here now. As you can see, this our fire is almost out of the way. So our meat has ready. You can see it's still a bit hot. Wow, this is beautiful. You can see, wow, beautiful. This is neatly roasted. Wow, this is our goat meat. Let me open it and see how it looks like. Let me take this. You can see, you see how beautiful it is. I'm going to, wow. The spice, you can hear. Wow, let me just take this. Wow, this is so delicious. Please, you are invited to. So, beautiful people, as it is like this, we are going to store it and be eating it gradually. This one is not, there's no oil, we didn't boil it. We just smoked it, we roasted it. This will last long. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are just seeing me for the first time, please like, share, comment, turn up the post notification bell so that whenever we post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. This is very, you see? Wow. Neatly done. Subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video when we'll be eating it. Okay, watch out for the next video how we'll be using it to eat. Just watch out. Bye bye. Mwah.